Hi there. I'm doing an evening one. That's a bit exciting. It's mostly because I'm quite poorly, and I didn't know if I'll be able to talk for long enough. But anyway, hopefully you can make sense of my funny shaped voice. So today I didn't have a picture of it, I'm afraid, but it's called With or Without You, and it's by Shari Low. And I haven't read any of her stuff before, but she writes. She's a very popular writer, and she writes excellent women's fiction. Um, and this was lovely. I thoroughly enjoyed reading it. It's a really feel good read. It explores the idea of that. Is there one decision in life that had it gone the other way, when you stayed, what would have happened if you'd left? If you left, what would have happened if you stayed? If you didn't take that job opportunity, or if you did, is there one point in life where things split? And had you done it differently, what would those other outcomes have been? And so it's really fascinating. And a lot of us have moments where we think, oh, what if I had or hadn't done, and whatever it is. And so it's a really powerful book. The characters I genuinely cared, which is quite rare in women's fiction, I find. And there was just this lovely pace to it. I read it quite quickly. It's not, it's not a difficult book. You don't have to look up the words or anything. But it has got this lovely flow to it, which I really enjoyed. And it was just lots of fun. Lots of fun. There are sad bits. There are very, very funny bits. So it's a pleasure to read. It's kind of enjoyable to read. And it's just got a little bit of everything, really. It'd be a brilliant book to take away on a long train journey, or, where you could really get into it and just read it cover to cover, because it's fun to read that way. But it's intriguing. And, of course, it makes us all think, isn't there? Is there that moment? Had we gone a different path? How different life might have been? Hopefully not to wish it the other way. Hope to be glad with what we've got. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm sure you will too.